folks of Advencia. Emma here, your tech pal. Before we jump into today's tutorial, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Today, we're unleashing the magic of Audacity on Windows 10. Excited? Let's get started. First off, head to the official Audacity website. Find the link down below in the description. Now, click on the Download Audacity button. Easy, right? While that's downloading, let's talk about the next step, locating the installer file. Once the download's done, find the installer in your Downloads folder. Give it a double click and let the installation magic begin. Audacity is like a breeze to install. Follow those on-screen instructions and you're on your way to audio editing greatness. Boom! Audacity is now part of your creative toolkit. You can launch it from your desktop or start menu. Quick tip, explore Audacity's features like editing, effects, and more. The possibilities are endless. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators. Questions or ideas for the next tutorial? Drop them in the comments. Until then, happy editing.